McCauley at Parade Off in Syracuse, New York. And for anyone that's new here tonight, which is EF, we don't have all these awards every time. It just was a special night. Cleaning up your house can help your mental health. It just feels good to be organized. When you company clean and clean for the holidays, what happens is you put everything in a black hole. Like, uh-oh, company's coming. I'm just going to shove this stuff over here. And then you need it, and you're like, where is it? I mean, there's so many shoves, so many shopping bags in that closet. So when you're organized, it really does reduce your stress, reduce your anxiety. And it also, when I go on vacation, my house is spotless. I don't know how anyone can go on vacation and come home and their house the sheets are clean, everything's vacuumed, it looks great. I want to come home from vacation and say, oh yeah, it looks good. Also, cleaning a bathroom, I mean mopping it, the tub, the shower, the toilet, the sink. You can burn 200 calories, that's good. So you can really, vacuuming, don't just really vacuum. You can burn calories, and also you can save time. How many times have you looked for something? I know people who've lost their license. They've lost their social security card. They got to get new ones. They've lost their birth certificate. They can't find it. It's there, but they've lost it. You can save so much time by being organized. And a spring diet makeover is vegging out. Egg beaters, and you might say, I don't really like egg beaters, Ellen. Well, I think they're great. But if you like regular eggs, eggs got a bad name. They're not going to kill you. You could have regular eggs with broccoli, cauliflower, all kinds of veggies. Also, hot cooked oatmeal. That's not killing your diet to have a bowl of oatmeal in the morning. Think green. And if you have to have a chocolate break, just take a little square and go turn your eyes to heaven and say, Jesus, thank you for the gift of this, and just really just enjoy it. Don't have a whole 20,000 Cadbury eggs. Also, if you start on April 4th and go to May 4th and just say, you know what, I'm going to not have any processed food just for a month to see if I could do it. You can do anything for 30 days, 21 days. Try exercising daily, but you have to plan for it. And here's the most important thing. This is the only life we're ever gonna get. And let's enjoy it. And let's have fun with it. Let's ditch our old crappy sneakers. You can afford a new pair. They should have nice arches in them. Also, if you're using a free pedometer, you can afford a Fitbit and Apple Watch. Also, anyone here, try to work up to 3-pound weights. In the gym, I'm on 3-pound weights. I'm kind of graduating into 4-pound weights. There's people with 8 or 9-pound weights, and those are heavy, okay? Drink more water and just upgrade your exercise clothes and routine. There's an article here about a zucchini noodle stir fry that's really easy. Tomorrow night we're having cauliflower rice with broccoli and cauliflower on top of it. Yes, double cauliflower. Again, that tastes like rice, it's cauliflower. Then we're going to have scallops and shrimp broiled on top of that. I can't wait. Also, one of our members gave me this article. If you do have problems, she highly swears by the Onondaga Hill Chiropractic, and it even gives you some causes of knee pain and what you can do about that. And I'm going to stop right there, Bob.